Did you know that the white fuzzy coating on your favorite Camembert cheese is actually a living ecosystem teeming with millions of microscopic artists? These tiny organisms are literally painting flavors onto your cheese, creating what scientists now call edible masterpieces. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible hidden world that exists on every cheese rind, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at moldy cheese the same way again.
The surface of these cheeses hosts an entire universe of microorganisms working together like a perfectly choreographed orchestra, each playing its part to create the complex flavors we've come to love.
Let's start with the most visible artists in this microscopic gallery, the molds. Penicillium candidum, the white, fuzzy mold that covers soft ripened cheeses like Brie and Camembert, doesn't just sit there looking pretty. This remarkable organism actively breaks down proteins and fats in the cheese, transforming the texture from firm to creamy and developing those characteristic earthy, mushroom-like flavors. It's essentially performing biochemical alchemy, converting simple milk proteins into complex flavor compounds that dance on your taste buds. But the white molds aren't working alone. Beneath that visible layer lies an intricate community of bacteria, yeasts, and other microorganisms, each contributing its unique signature to the cheese's final personality. Brevibacterium linens, often referred to as the orange smear bacteria, produces the pungent washed rind cheeses, such as Limburger and Munster. These bacteria don't just add color, they produce compounds that create those intense, sometimes challenging aromas that cheese enthusiasts either love or avoid entirely.
The fascinating aspect of these microbial communities is their ability to communicate and cooperate. Scientists have discovered that different species of bacteria and molds actually send chemical signals to each other, coordinating their activities like a molecular social network.
Now here's where things get really interesting from a health perspective. Many of these cheese rind microbes are closely related to probiotics, the beneficial bacteria we often hear about for gut health. While we can't make definitive health claims about eating cheese rinds, research suggests that the diverse microbial communities found on traditional cheeses may contribute to our overall microbiome diversity. Some studies indicate that people who regularly consume fermented foods, including aged cheeses with their natural rind microbes, tend to have more robust digestive systems. The artistry doesn't stop at individual microbes. Different cheese-making regions have developed their own signature microbial profiles over centuries. The caves of Roquefort, France, naturally harbor specific strains of Penicillium roqueforti that create the distinctive blue-green veining in their famous cheese. These aren't just random molds, they're carefully cultivated organisms that have been selected and refined through generations of cheese-making tradition. Temperature and humidity play crucial roles in this microbial art process. Cheese aging rooms, or affinage caves, are carefully controlled environments that encourage the growth of specific organisms while inhibiting the growth of others. Master cheese agers, called affineurs, are like curators of living art galleries, monitoring and adjusting conditions to guide the microbial communities toward their desired artistic expression. Modern food science has given us incredible insights into these processes. Using DNA sequencing and advanced microscopy, researchers can now identify and study individual species within cheese rind communities. This knowledge is revolutionizing cheesemaking, enabling producers to better understand and control the microbial activity occurring on their products. For home cheese enthusiasts, understanding these microbial processes opens up a new appreciation for proper cheese storage and serving. Those rinds aren't just packaging to be discarded, they're living systems that continue evolving even in your refrigerator. Many cheese experts recommend eating certain rinds because they contain concentrated flavors and beneficial microorganisms that complement the cheese's interior.
The next time you encounter a piece of aged cheese, take a moment to appreciate the incredible biological artwork covering its surface. Those seemingly simple molds and bacteria represent millions of years of evolutionary refinement, thousands of years of human cultivation, and countless hours of microscopic labor creating the flavors you're about to enjoy. These moldy masterpieces remind us that some of life's greatest pleasures come from embracing the beautiful complexity of the microbial world that surrounds us. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe MicrobeMaster's channel to get more insights into the world of microbes.